So I know we've been posting a lot of these guys, but it is something we're quite proud of on this reserve, that we're giving them a decent home, considering that according to most organizations, giraffes at 115,000 in number is considered vulnerable, whereas elephants at 415,000 in the wild is considered endangered. Makes absolutely no sense, but it's just another example of how the Big Five idea skews people's perceptions. So this is a bull over here. You can see that because he's got a belly button, which is not a belly button, and a female with him. So they are super curious creatures, and if you just park like this long enough, they're bound to get interested and come and have a look.